Yaga yo, we outside again. See ya, family. We're just having a little bit of a cruise around. We're gonna roll down by, I don't know, where are we gonna go? I don't even know. We're just outside. We're just outside. Local. Get me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And we're gonna bomb it down the collector road. Let's open these carbs up a little bit. Whee! Let's have a look. Look at this guy. Where's he doing? What's he doing? Okay. Who's coming this way, mate? Yeah, that sound. Whee! Blah. Oh yeah. I wonder where they're off to, man. Okay, there's a little run down the collector road. Nothing crazy. Not trying to do the clock or nothing like that. Try and blow the carbs out just a little bit. Pause if need be. Get this idiot, you flipping no. This is why you gotta be defensive. Fucking fool. Okay, so that was just a little run down by Collector Road. If you know the road, you know. If you're new to the channel, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.